about this whole system thing.
What do you see yourself as in a mirror? That's the question.
Just because I'm Hispanic don't mean that I come from Central America. Don't mean that I am an immigrant.
If my emotions are an armory of weapons, then anger is my pistol.
Walk your path. Find your way home. And remember, you don't always need a compass.
I wish I could give you this feeling of living. I wish I could give you this feeling of living.